Hey guys, this is Jason from SoCal Accessories again. Another quick video on a quick installation for the Can-Am. It's the front and rear storage bags. I got them on Amazon. The fronts have a cup holder. You could Velcro it if you're not using it, or unvelcro it if you want to put a water bottle or something in there. I'm going to show you guys how easy these are to install and what I do and don't like about them. Alright you guys, so you got a couple pieces of Velcro that's going to hold these things on for the front, so you don't have to push this through and squeeze it through. Just take this off and we'll put this part on first. So all you do is open up all the little pieces of Velcro, wrap it around the tubing, and Velcro it back on. You're going to do that with all the pieces, okay? So we're going to cut and we'll show you once this is all Velcroed on. Alright you guys, so all the little Velcro straps are on. It has a little compartment here so you can put stuff. And this one, you open it, you could put a water bottle or something there. Even though you have cup holders, it's cool just to have these little extra compartments. It has this little knee pad here. This is removable with the Velcro. So if you're going to put this on, I only suggest to Velcro the top, because one thing that already pissed me off on the other side, just having it on for a few seconds, once you have this on, if you Velcro the top and the bottom, when you're outside of the Can-Am and you try and pull this release to open your door, it gets stuck, like it hits. So it's in the way. So if you have just the top one Velcroed, you just flop it up when you're outside, pull on it. It's a lot easier than feels like it kind of jams up against that. You don't have to put that on. This is an optional thing. If it ends up pissing me off, I'm probably just going to take those off. Alright, so that was the front one. For the back one, same exact thing. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 Velcro straps that you're going to strap on. These sit up a little bit higher, okay? So you put one strap here, one Velcro strap there, one goes to here, and the other one goes down here. And that's it for the installation on this. Hopefully this video helps you on how easy this is and how much extra storage this gives you for people that are riding in the back or when you're driving around to store stuff. Alright guys, so my overall review after using this, great product. Having that extra storage space is awesome. Having your drink right here instead of in the middle, that's pretty cool. This pad right here, like I said, it still gets in the way when you try and open the door, which could get pretty annoying. But like I said, I just left the top strap, so when I reach over to pull the latch to open and close it, I just leave the top one strap so this could come off. If anything, just don't put this. I've never really rested my knee against here when driving, but having it on there, knowing that it's there, it's pretty cool, I guess, because then I did lean my left leg against, well, my left knee against this. This is just basically a cup holder. When you're not using it, you can Velcro it closed. The part I like the best is this pouch. Sometimes when it is too hot and you start sweating in your goggles, it makes them fog up. So I take off my goggles every once in a while when I'm riding, because when it's too hot and I'm sweating, the sweat, I guess, like from my forehead or eyebrows make the goggles fog up, which gets annoying. Putting it in this pouch is cool because you don't have to worry about them getting all scuffed up, versus when I usually ride and it gets too hot and I want to feel some of that wind and not have foggy goggles. I take them off and I'll rest them somewhere where they usually end up falling down, or besides falling down somewhere and ending up under somebody's foot, they'll end up all scuffed up just from wherever I put them. They end up falling face down and kind of bounce around while you're riding around places. And then when I go off-roading, a lot of the places don't have toilet paper, so I always carry some baby wipes. They come in very handy.